Hey love, it's Angelica aka Angie B. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be shaving my face, and as you can see, maybe you can't see that clearly on camera, but I do have lots of like baby hairs all over my face and like my little mustache area there and down like by the sideburns. So I'm using this oil from Makeup Revolution first of all because you need lots of slip on your skin before you shave your face because you want to avoid bumps and any like irritation afterwards. So I'm being very generous with this oil and putting it all over my face. Despite what a lot of people tell you, shaving your face is not going to make your hair grow back thicker. It might just seem like your hair is growing back faster because you are just shaving the surface of the skin and you are not removing the skin, you're not removing the hair inside the follicles like with a tweezer or anything. So this is my favorite razor right now. It is by Schick, I think that's how you say it. It is a very sharp razor. I got a 3-pack from Amazon. There was a pink one, a blue one, I think 2 pink ones and a blue one. So you guys will see what I'm doing. I'm holding my skin very taut and then I start to shave. So can you see that little tiny hairs that are coming off? This is also great for exfoliation, and it's been said that the reason why a lot of men age way slower than women is because they shave their face, so it's like exfoliating. So this is also like an exfoliating step. Now you make sure you want to always cover your hairline unless you're going for that straight Kardashian Amrezy kind of hairline that I do not like. You want to make sure you protect your edges and also protect your eyebrows, because if you shave the top part of your eyebrows and it comes out like a really weird shape, it is very hard to fix that and correct it. So also be wary and just stop right at the top of your brow, because if you're like me, you have a lot of hairs that are also above the brow that just need to be, you know, shaved off. This also makes the skin look nice and smooth and very bright, and if you wear makeup, it will go on much smoother because there's no hair that's getting in the way. Now it might seem like you don't have hair on your forehead, and you might not, but I do have little tiny hairs. So I'm also shaving the hairs between my brows. The only amazing thing is my hair, well, most people's hair is almost the same color as your skin, which is why you can't see it. So my hairs are almost like kind of blonde even on my arms, so that's why you can't see it that much, but trust me, it is there. So you see every single place where I'm shaving my face, I am holding it nice and taut, and I'll be doing this all around my face. And you can see that is what some of the hair looks like, and I will just be wiping it off on a towel. And then I'm also cleaning up underneath my brows. You want to be very careful with how you hold the blade as well, because you don't want to cut yourself. So make sure you hold it at an angle the way I'm holding it. Don't just hold it straight because you could easily cut yourself. So be wary of that. I usually thread my brows or just go through with a tweezer, but sometimes when I want to just clean them up and get the shape I want, I'll go ahead and use a blade, and then as the hairs are slowly growing back, I'll go ahead and remove them with a tweezer. So now you can see I'm holding my hair taut near my cheekbone there as I start to shave the hair. For most people, this is the area where you're going to have the most hair on your face, so you want to make sure you get all of it off very nicely. And I'm using very gentle strokes. I don't know how gentle it looks on camera, but believe me, it is very gentle. And you also don't want to do this if you have any like scabs or pimples or any like open sores on your face, because you can make that much worse. So I actually enjoy this. I haven't done it many times, but I've done it a few times enough for me to film a video about it. So if you want more like skincare videos, let me know, because I have a whole new batch of skincare that's coming in because I ran out of all my skincare at once and I've stocked up. It's just been taking forever to get here. So if you guys would like a skincare routine and just a little bit of explanation about skincare, what I like about skincare and all that kind of stuff, give this video a big thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed yet, or you didn't subscribe in the beginning, make sure to hit the subscribe button in the little corner down there and hit the bell so you get notifications every single time I post. Now here you can see I'm shaving my nose, and this is a little bit difficult, but you can easily do it. And it looks like you have completely no hairs on your nose because your nose just looks so like smooth and shiny. But if you take an up-close picture of your nose, you're easily going to see that you have hairs on your nose. And my favorite reason for removing the hairs on my nose is just for makeup purposes, because my makeup goes on so good. And also, I tend to get flaky on my nose. If my skin is very dry, my nose will start to flake first. So at least when it's nicely exfoliated, that is prevented. But side note, if your nose is currently flaking, please do not shave it because you will get damage to your skin barrier. So now I'm just shaving my upper lip area. This is another place I used to thread a lot, but now I just find myself shaving it all the time. I feel better. It does not grow back any darker or coarser. It just grows back the same. I also shave under my lip there. That is a pain to thread. If you ever thread your lips and you have to thread under your lip, I really hate that. So now that I just shave, I like that. So now we're going further down the cheek all the way up to like the jawline, and then after that we're going to go to like the chin, under the chin area. Now under the chin is the place where I always thread, only because the hairs are usually a little bit more coarser there, especially when it's around the time of the month. You get like 4 or 5 really coarse ones, so I always thread that area. But if it's a day when I'm doing my shaving routine like this, I still shave down there because down there I still shave under my chin using the razor just to remove the really tiny hairs that even threading can't remove. So you guys can see there is still a lot of hair on that blade, and I'm just making sure every single time the hair accumulates. I actually don't keep the hair on the blade this much, I just wanted to show you guys, but every time I get a little bit of hair on the blade, I go ahead and wipe it with a makeup wipe or a cotton round. So now you're going to see what I do. I pull my skin up so that I could do my jawline all the way down, not necessarily to my neck because I really don't have hair on my neck, but just like right under my jawline, all the way under there. So you want to make sure you're holding your skin taut, and the reason you hold it taut is so that it's nice and tight and so that it doesn't cut your skin or make you have bumps or anything. So I don't know if you can tell, but like this half of my face looks so much brighter than the other side. So now I went ahead and did the other side, and my skin was looking flawless and fresh. But here's a reminder, every time you shave your skin, as long as it's during the day, you want to make sure you wear a sunscreen. Wear a sunscreen every day anyway, but doing this is like doing an acid treatment almost. Your skin is very exposed, so you have to wear a sunscreen. This is my favorite one of the moment. It's the Hydra Bee Village 11 Bee Hydra sunscreen. It just goes on like a serum almost, as you can see. It's a chemical sunscreen. It leaves 0 white cast. It leaves your skin looking nice and glowy. And that is basically my shaving routine. So give this video a thumbs up again if you liked it. Hit the subscribe button and watch the 2 videos on the side of the screen if you'd like to see anything else from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!